This is really cool. It's a Hemi misfiring, 22 Ram misfiring, cylinder 6. I forgot I had this cool little tool. Anyway, so I switched plugs and wires. You can see where I've moved the coils, and that's all great and everything, but I forgot I had this tool, Matco tools. Watch this. Cylinder 2 firing. Cylinder 4, you see the red light. Got a problem with cylinder 4. Cylinder 8 lights it steady. Cylinder 6, my mystery misfire. Nothing. It only flashed red that one time just because it's contact. And I've already put a light on and verified it's trying to fire the injector. I've got power and ground. PCM's doing its job. So you got a bad fuel injector. So if y'all don't have one of these, I got this from Matco. I don't see a part number. And of course you can't hear anything because of these idiots over here. But anyway, that's a basic misfire diagnosis on a Hemi 22 Ram. Good looking truck.